talk about possession, something that you own. In English, we usually use the little mark and an S. The little mark is called an apostrophe. We also use this mark in contractions. Apostrophe. If I want to say this dog belongs to Sam, which is how we would structure it in Spanish, este perro es de Sam. That sounds a little funny in English. In English, we would say this is Sam's dog. So we take his name and add the apostrophe S. This is Sam's dog. This cap belongs to Mary. You could say that, but it sounds a little funny. In English, we would say, this is Mary's cat. This is Mary's cat. If you have two people, you just add the apostrophe to the last person. This is Isaac and Laura's pool. This is Isaac and Laura's pool. Many times, if the word ends in an S, just add the apostrophe. This is my parents' house. So this house belongs to both of my parents. This is my parents' house. This is Jesus' car. And sometimes people will try to say Jesus's. This is a little bit tricky in pronunciation. This is Jesus' car. I'll be honest. This is one of the cases that many people in English would revert to the other structure. They would say this car belongs to Jesus. Some of the words are a little tricky to say if a name ends in an S.